Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your Planner tasks into uh, Power BI or Microsoft's Power BI. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we will be needing to use a method, or we need to import first the tasks from the planner using some automation using the Power Automate or Microsoft Power Automate. And after that, we can simply start getting these tasks into Power BI. So simply we can start creating an automated cloud flow, or you can simply search for the templates. So from here, if we go to Power BI, we won't be able to find any flow that would allow us to get data sets from our uh, Power BI or from our planner. And basically, you will be needing first to get the planner, and then we can start uh, getting and importing this data into Power BI. So simply we can click on create automated flow, and from there we will just skip, and basically you can use a trigger here. You can add any trigger that you would like, either by time or whatever was what you like, and simply we can you can also create a schedule cloud flow if you want, and let's create. You choose a recurrence each day or whatever, and after that we will need just to search for planner, and basically from here we will need just to list my tasks. We will get all the tasks from here, and then we will need to take it to SharePoint. So basically, by going to SharePoint, we will start creating a sharing link for a file or folder, or we want to create a file. So we will need just to click on this one, and basically it will start creating a link, and then you will be needing just to click on OK, and you will need to sign in so you can get your account here, and you will need to sign in to get your account here, and basically now you have this flow, and now we can uh, we will need to save these changes, so we click on save, and now you will need to add your information. You make sure that the flow is working. You can simply go back and go to your flows, and you will find my flows. You click on the flow and make sure that the SharePoint is uh, created, and then you will need just to import these SharePoint file or this JSON file and import it into Power BI, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.